Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage storage in Proton Drive in 2026. So if your cloud is getting full, or you just want better control over your space, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Once you're inside, you'll see your main dashboard. Next, go to your account or settings section and check your storage usage. This shows how much space you've used and how much is left. Now look for large files or folders that are taking up the most space. Next, remove files you no longer need. This is one of the fastest ways to free up storage. Now don't forget to empty your trash or deleted files folder, otherwise the space may still be used. Next, move important files into organized folders so you can manage everything more efficiently. If you still need more space, you can upgrade your Proton Drive plan for additional storage. And that's it, you've successfully managed your storage in Proton Drive. Now your account is clean, organized, and optimized for better performance. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.